So I got the old truck's tailgate wiring harness, and I cut it off, and I want to attach it to the new tailgate's old wiring harness here, because it didn't have this connector plug, and you really need it. So I've already stripped back all the wires, cut it apart, and now I'm going to attach it and use this heat shrink tape to shrink it all together. So right now, gonna match them by colors. It's a little time consuming, but in the end it'll be worth it. It's better than just electrical tape on it. I'm just going to use a lighter. That's pretty much all I got. Nice tight fit. That's neat. 3 down, 5 more to go. Some more of this tubing. Slide it into quarters. Yeah. Alright, now that I got this big glob of mess here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to do the Shadetree thing. I'm going to wrap in some electrical tape. In there so it don't leak. Hopefully I got everything wired right, or else I'll be hacking this thing back open, and I don't want to be doing that. Let's go see if this fits on the truck. Remove some of this cargo. Yeah. This goes on pretty easily. I know you're thinking, it's a white tailgate, it's a red truck. Tailgate's going to eventually be painted and redone over, but I just got to get a tailgate that works for right now. See you in the next video. Wire in a little bit. And of course, the wrong one. It's supposed to go on the red book down here. There you go. Open. And open. Do a little bit more work to this later. Like I said, we're going to be painting this red. Try to take out some of these things, maybe. See how good I am. Not. I don't know. Next video. See you guys next time. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share. Again, I'm out.